इसमें ड्रॉ योर हाउस हेयर एंड टॉक अबाउट इट। एक हाउस बनाया है एंड नाउ द आंसर इज आई लिव इन अ फ्लैट। द बिल्डिंग इज पेंटेड येलो एंड ब्राउन। द विंडोज ऑफ माई हाउस आर राउंड इन शेप। There is a playground near the parking lot of our society. All children play there in the evening. Next question है how do you feel? Draw and say. When you get a new dress, happy. When you get hurt, sad. When you share your things, happy. When you are ill, sad. Next, look in a mirror. What do you see? I see my own self in the mirror. Observations. ऑब्जर्वेशन अवलोकन, निगरानी और देखभाल। ट्रेस निशान और सुराग। मेज भूल भुलैया और उलझन और घपला। चैप्टर 2 3 लिटिल पिग्स, 3 छोटे और नन्हे सूअर। स्ट्रॉ भूसा और सूखी हुई घास जो गाय खाती है। स्टिक्स डंडा। ब्लो फूक मारा। ब्लू झोंकना। एक्सरसाइज मेक सेंटेंसेस बाय यूजिंग दीज वर्ड्स and used to talk about 2 or more things. Example sentences: I will play with Radha and Karan. Second example: I like to drink milk and juice. Bad meaning not good. Example sentences: it is bad to talk in the class. Next sentence: try to keep away from bad habits. Big meaning is very large or huge in size. Example sentences: my house is very big in size. I want a big toy on my birthday. But meaning used to join 2 different thoughts. Example sentences: I slept but nobody helped me. I slept but nobody helped me. Second example sentences: his house was big but untidy. Untidy मतलब लापरवाह और गंदा. Not the meaning is used to form negatives. Example sentences: I didn't have lunch today. Second, Param is not going to be there. 1. The meaning is a number that comes after 0 and before 2 or a single thing. Example sentences: I want 1 packet of chips. Second sentences: there is only 1 chocolate in the bag. Pig. The meaning is an animal that is pink or brown in color and stays in dirty areas. Example sentences: look at that pig over there. Second, that pig is very dirty. The meaning is used to talk about a special thing or to refer to a person or thing already mentioned. Example sentences: the man standing over there is very thin. I like the dog in the picture. Was. The meaning is verb used to talk about something that has already happened. Example sentences: I was reading a book. Second, I was swimming in the pool yesterday. Questions: how many pigs were there? There were 3 little pigs, Sonu, Monu and Gonu. What did the big wolf say to the pigs? The big wolf used to say, I will huff and puff and I will blow your house down to the pigs. Huff and puff बहुत तेज फूकना. Was the wolf good or bad? According to me, the wolf was bad. He scared the pigs and blew away the houses of Sonu and Monu. What is your house made of? My house is made of bricks and painted red and brown. The windows of my house are made of glass. Who is good plus who is bad? The pig is good, the wolf is bad. Wolf यानी लोमड़ी. There are farm animals, water animals and jungle animals in this picture. Help the animals reach their homes. Draw lines. Buffalo, farmhouse. Horse, farmhouse. Hen, farmhouse. Dog, farmhouse. Monkey, jungle. Rhinoceros, jungle. The spelling is RHINOCEROS and the meaning is genda. Bear, jungle. Crocodile, water or jungle. Frog, water. Cow, farm. Giraffe, jungle. अब ये क्वेश्चन था वॉट इज़ योर हाउस मेड ऑफ, उसका एक और आंसर हो सकता है माई हाउस इज़ मेड ऑफ सीमेंट, कंक्रीट एंड स्टोन एक्सेट्रा। कंक्रीट मतलब बजरी। लेट्स चेयर, चलो एक दूसरे को बताते हैं। लेट्स एक्ट, चलो करते हैं। डॉट, बिंदु। इमेजिन, कल्पना करना और सोचना। सिंग, बो वो सेज द डॉग, भों भों कुत्ते भौंकते हैं। म्यू म्यू सेज द कैट, बिल्ली म्याऊ म्याऊ करती है। ब्लीट ब्लीट सेज द गोट, मैं बकरी बोलती है। रोर रोर सेज द लॉयन, शेर दहाड़ता है। हेलो हेलो सेज द चाइल्ड, बच्चा हेलो हेलो कहता है। चैप्टर 3 आफ्टर अ बाथ, नहाने के बाद। यूनिट 2 पार्ट 2 मतलब भाग 2। माई सेल्फ, खुद और मैं। राइटर, लिखना और जो लिखता है। डॉग, एन एनिमल दैट बार्क्स एंड इज ऑफन केप्ट एज अ पेट। एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंसेस, दिस इज माई पेट डॉग रेक्स, दैट डॉग इज वेरी बिग इन साइज। हाउ, a word used to ask a question. Example sentences, how are you today? How many hours are there in a day? Met, past tense of meet. Example sentences, I met my friend yesterday. He met the family doctor on Monday. Try, to do something with some effort. Example sentences, I will try to finish my homework. I try to play the piano every day. 2. The number that comes after 1 and before 3. Example sentences, I have 2 legs. Second, there are 2 eggs in the bag. Then the question is, do you like to have a bath? Say why. Yes, I like to take bath cause it keeps me clean and healthy. Can you bath yourself? Yes, I can take bath by myself. How do you dry yourself? I dry myself with a soft towel. Have you seen an animal drying itself? Yes, I have seen a dog drying itself. Let's read. I try to save water. I have 2 ears, 2 legs, 10 toes, and 1 nose. Riddle time. I have teeth so sharp, but I never bite. What am I? The answer is comb. Riddle. Riddle मतलब पहेली, puzzle और बूझ, enigma और conundrum. CONUNDRUM. चैप्टर 4 द बबल, द स्ट्रॉ एंड द शू। बबल यानी बलबुला या फिर बुलबुला, जो साबुन से और ऐसे फूंक मारकर निकलता है। क्वेश्चन, कुछ वर्ड्स दिए हैं लाइक बैंक, बबल, बस्ट, क्रॉस, रिवर, शूज, स्प्लैश। इनका हमें सेंटेंस प्लस मीनिंग बताना है। तो बैंक, द स्लोप अलोंग विच the river water runs. Example sentences, we sat by the river bank after swimming. Second, he ran till the bank of the river every day. Bubble, a small round body of gas. Example sentences, John and Maria love to play with water bubbles. I love to blow bubbles with chewing gums. Burst, to open suddenly. Example sentences, he burst out laughing at the joke. Second, the crackers burst loudly. Cross, to pass over something. Example sentences, would you be able to cross the river by yourself? We should always use zebra crossing to cross the road. River, a natural body of water. Example sentences, Ria saw a colorful fish swimming in the river. We went for a family picnic in a farm near the river. Shoes, meaning is footwear. Example sentences, Rahul was playing football without shoes. Kirti gave her shoes to a beggar. Splash, the sound of a liquid being scattered in a random manner. Example sentences, he woke up in the middle of the night hearing the water splash. The ball fell into the drum of paint with a splash. Question, name the 3 friends. The names of the 3 friends are Bubble, Straw and Shoe. Where did they go one day? One day they went into the forest. What did they want to do? They wanted to cross the river. How do you make bubbles? I make bubbles from liquid soap and water solution. What do you wear on your feet? I wear shoes on my feet. How do you cross a river? I use a boat to cross a river. Boat yani now. Put these doing words into the sentences. jumped, shook, stretched, burst. Stretched यानी खिंचाव. The straw stretched himself from one bank to the other. The shoe jumped on the straw. Jumped यानी कूदना. The bubble shook and shook with laughter and burst यानी फटना with a big bang. Look at these objects. Put them into a tub of water. Say which one will float and which one will sink. Ribbon float. Float मतलब तैरना और sink मतलब डूबना. Stick float. Feather float. Paper float. Marble यानी पत्थर sink. Straw float. Leaf float. Shoes sink. Stone sink. Spoon sink. Draw the well, color it and say the rhyme aloud. A bell fell in the well, ding dong bell. Journey suffer. Tadpole मेढक का बच्चा. Well कुआं.